And
are you paying for this video for it to be on internet?
No.
So this video is what can I say? It's a phony.
It's a phony.
Yeah, that's old English. It is find a dictionary. Phony means what?
Fake.
Fake. It's a fake video someone edited trying to translate and revolute what I call ghetto ground. Just because ghetto ground is my ground. I am the only king who exists.
You are one of the originals. Okay?
I am the original. As a king, you don't live as one, you die. You live with others. South Africa, we're drinking kombucha, dancing Husto stylers.
What?
Dancing Husto stylers is a song in Cape Town. Where they wear hats like this with glids, or the small stick which goes like Mazibaba, then they dance a Husto stylers song. You dance it, you.
Because I'm going to tell you what is England.
It's a walking path, but I'm not going to talk about it now.
Why?
It's confidential. I'm authoring a little bit of twinkle dwindles just to edition and audit my recording. When I record it, I must be a little bit smart just for it to appear as good as it should be.
Yes. Maston.
Maston. What?
Ukara upimazwa awusubatika.
Diripo ukara national muraba number 61.
Jubeka makeke.
I bake cakes, but I'm good at scones.
Vana vachaisa maorders mazwana.
Vana vasiita maorders just because vanhu vari kuneseka nekuita zviri luxury. People are no longer living the luxurious life they used to live just because of economical hardship, they say, of which is wrong. They are not even selling anything. Sell something just to gain a profit. We indigenize and promote brick by brick. You can find yourself a plot or anywhere to live outside Harare just for you to survive. Then you swatter inside the city. It's not fair. Littering goes to people who are illiterate. Illiterate.
And there's a lot of people loitering in Harare.
There are not a lot. There are too many people.
Too many.
Yeah. It's a poisonous drug called meth. Makes people walk for nothing and look for nothing down.
Just go back
for absolutely nothing. You know what happens? When you first smoke it, it goes a little bit nice. When you take it more, you got a higher heat to get. For you to get that heat, you must work for it. So if you don't work, you're gonna snatch something from someone.
Oh.
Yeah. So
you become a thief. Practically, if you don't work, you become a thief.
Yeah, if you do not work, it's either you become a thief or you become gay. Wow. That's the cheapest way of living. What can we say? You don't have to be that cheap.
Anarubata uruweka.
Anarubata uruweka. Ainanibatike uruweka ndotsinga. As a king, no phone go in again. I come ninga. I gure. The long one go to go to gure manjara. Hopo. Panofa king, Pano Uraiwa a listed third of the children and half of the parents.
Says who?
Yo,
Ndati kutaura chokwadi muri masoja e1 brigade wakambunda kuti musoja asi munoziva kuti vanoti kuisrael hapana kutaura kana tanare BZ kana Canada chekukontari iyo unofira zvakarara unofira mahara.
I've never heard of that. I'm trying by all means to think inside and outside the box just to get an answer. You do not have anything to say. Yes, that's what you say. What I have got to say to people who do not work or who are not working, I think it's about time we start giving injections to people who just walking around just like a lost dog. Yeah, just like you.
So now cry son.
Aiwa, vanofana kuva majekiseni esekatiki nokuti vari kupenga nokutenderera.
Loitering.
Yeah, loitering. If you loiter around here, that's Mshengene neGuka, yeah. Find the translation for that if you are international. We just square. Halopero draw. Taploperos in. That's your permanent plan to survive. You are mad.
Yeah.
How hard is that Kapamizer people?
Like you also.
Yeah?
I'm mad.
My people don't talk like me. I'm not mad. But I'm really mad. About people who do it all wrong.
Mtoriro nemsomboji achichiri nani.
Somebody yakanaka unonakisa unosimba face ipapo unobva ipapo walidama. Patuswera mangwana unozvimba. Ntokuti it goes like big like this. Mtongo mnabvaruwa mambama. Hey, somebody has a nice beer but it pops your face.
Kumtoriro.
Type of beer that it's 100% alcohol from sugar plantation. Yeah, it's 100% what we call the byproduct. Ethanol is land. It's also fuel. Ethanol fuel.
But all right.
I know much about that just because we went to Kirezi. We were going to Mashingo, Great Zimbabwe. We passed by Kirezi and we passed by Christmas Pass. And there was also this Lake Mchiriki river. Some of my schoolmates, she said 2007, 2000, that was my grade 7. Moana was 2001 to 2004. 2003 I went to Morgan. It's a hard translation for anyone to say.
Morgan High School.
I translate for more than 865 times for one person. It's one of the hardest things to do. To be involved in another school just because you're playing too much with friends.
So when you went to Morgan High School, you're calling your house a cabin?
Oh, I was calling it a cabin or a crib.
A crib?
Yeah. White crib, but colored cabin.
All right.
Yeah.
And blacks is a house?
Yeah.
Or home?
Or home, Jabuna. You can have a Jabuna. It's a jabone. You know a jabone? Yes. A jabone is a jabone. You know, a tiki bar. A tiki bar is a jabone. Just because it has a house out the back, just for people to have privacy. Got it? And it's got what we call it's got you can have your own tiki bar. Even in your dining room lounge, or even your what is having a siesta in the back of your house.
It is Jabu.
You know Tiki? Tiki was the only one who could know money. You see? There's the story of Tiki. Tiki is a Nanga, what we call starts from a herbalist. You are about to start talking.
Is that all? We can start another one.
Okay, thanks for your time and patience. It's a pleasant welcome. Hikey.